Hey everyone, it's Anas from Battery Check, and today I have created the easiest tutorial for you on how to replace the Galaxy S10 Plus battery. And no worries, all the tools and the parts in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification button, that way you don't miss out any repair videos like this one. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is turn your Galaxy S10 Plus off. Second thing you want to do, you want to heat up the back glass so we can take it out successfully without cracking it. If it cracks, no worries, check out the links below that has all the parts and the tools and the replacement that you need to replace your Galaxy S10 Plus battery. And if your back glass breaks, you can replace it also. It's only $10. If you're using a blow dryer, put it on a maximum heat. If you're using a heat gun, put it at medium heat. Next thing you want to do, you want to pry your back glass out of your Galaxy S10 Plus. The reason why we're doing that is because there is adhesive under the Galaxy S10 Plus back glass. If you have a business card or if you have any plastic tool that is thin and hard, you can use. If you don't have anything like that, make sure you check out the links below to all the tools that you need to replace your Galaxy S10 Plus battery successfully. As you see over here, I'm going slowly and patiently to remove the Galaxy S10 Plus back glass. Once you get it removed, just take it out slowly, gently, and you can rip off all the tapes out of it. That's fine. We're gonna replace it anyway. And if you don't have any other glue at home, you can use the same adhesive that's originally on the Galaxy S10 Plus back glass. Next thing you want to do, there is a 16 fill-up screws. You want to take them off all by one by one. Take it off slowly, don't rush it, take your time. I'm here with you. We're gonna do this tutorial together. We're gonna replace your Galaxy S10 Plus together. No worries, just watch this guide all the way to the end, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you. I'm here to do it with you. I want you to do it cheap. This tutorial only takes 10 minutes to do. Why would you pay someone for $50-$60 to replace your Galaxy S10 Plus battery when you can do it yourself? Take your battery, take your screws, do it gently, do it slowly. I'm here with you. Keep watching, stay watching. Let's do this repair together and do it all the way to the end. Trust me, by the time you finish, I'll be so proud of you and you'll be thanking me. And hey, so far, if you're getting any value out of this video, please give it a like, leave a comment below, share it with the person that you know. After you remove all of your Galaxy S10 Plus screws, just remove your wireless antenna. Just lift it up gently, remove it, and put it to the side. Alright, that was so easy. We're gonna do it together. Next thing you want to do is just disconnect your Galaxy S10 Plus battery ribbon cable. That way, just we're sure 100% there is no power going to the circuit board. Second thing you want to do is just remove your plastic speaker. You can just lift it up, remove it slowly. Now, in order to remove the Galaxy S10 Plus battery, we need to apply some heat. Again, Samsung's love using adhesive, love using double-sided tape. So we're gonna heat it up from both sides. We're gonna heat it up from the glass side, and we're gonna heat it up from the battery side. Just heat it, give it a couple seconds, maybe the most a minute. Heat it up from the glass side, flip it all the way to the other side, heat up your battery, get the adhesive loosened. That way we can remove the battery successfully. If you have a plastic tool, use it. If you don't, use a flat screwdriver or maybe a metal pry opener tool. Don't worry, your battery is not gonna explode if you do it gently. If you rush it and if you be so hard with it, then yeah, if you poke a hole in the battery, your battery is gonna smoke, and there's a high chance your battery will get on fire. If you remove your battery, next thing you want to do, just clean all the adhesive under the battery. Once you clean everything out, you'll be ready to put your battery back in there. You can use the same double-sided tape was on the battery originally from Samsung, or you can use any double-sided tape, thin double-sided tape at home. If you don't, check out the links below. I have linked to the B7000. I love this stuff. This sticks really good. It's not hard, it's not too soft. If you want to change your battery again, you can just lift it up easily. But this stuff works. That's what I use in my repair shop, and that's what I recommend for you guys. Please subscribe now if you haven't already, and let's continue this tutorial for you. Just plug your battery in, put your battery connector on the circuit board of the Galaxy S10 Plus, and this is it, guys. Make sure you power the phone on. If your battery is dead over here, like me, the battery came is not charged, plug your charger in. Make sure the battery turns on before you put all the parts back together. Once you see a signal on the screen that your battery is charging, you're in good shape. Make sure you put all the tools back, all the parts back together in the order that was taken out. Now put your bottom speaker first, and then put your wireless antenna second, and then you can put all the rest of the 16 Phillips screws in there. Now this tutorial, it should be very easy. It shouldn't take you a long time. Check out the tools below. If you guys loving this video, please give it a like. If you guys have any questions, if you guys love it, leave a comment below, tell me I love it. If you don't, that would only help me. You know what, give it a dislike, that's fine. Give it a bad comment, that way it will only help me improve, only help me make a better video for you guys. I love doing this. I love helping people out. I want you to save money. I want you to know how to fix things, and this battery replacement for the Galaxy S10 Plus should be easy, guys. Just put the rest of the screws in your Galaxy S10 Plus and you should be ready to go. Now it's a very important step over here I want to show you guys. When you put your Galaxy S10 Plus back glass, you can use the same adhesive that came with the phone, but I can guarantee you this, and you're gonna try it, and if you're going to do it with me, your phone is not gonna stick. Your Galaxy S10 Plus back glass is not gonna stick to the phone that same way that it was originally. So maybe if you don't have nothing else, just go ahead and use the same adhesive that came with the phone and heat it up with the blow dryer again, just to melt it out a little bit, melt out the adhesive in there, just so it sticks a little bit harder. If you don't, use the B7000 glue. It's very cheap. It's like $7. Check out the links below. You can fix probably 20 phones. You can fix a lot of iPads right here. I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna put it all around the edges. It will act as a silicone, guys. This is not like a crazy glue. And you know what? If you do have a crazy glue, use a crazy glue. But if you ever want to take your Galaxy S10 Plus apart again, I guarantee you 100% that you're gonna have to break your Galaxy S10 Plus back glass before you get into it. Why? Because crazy glue is very strong glue. It doesn't act as a silicone and will not make your Galaxy S10 Plus water resisting again. This is stuff what I use. This is the good stuff. This is the secret recipe. I'm giving you everything I have. Alright, this is the same way that I do it for every single customer that comes through the door, and I'm showing you right here for free, nothing at your cost. Alright, I hope this video have helped you so far to replace your Galaxy S10 Plus battery. Put the SIM card back in there, put your back glass back in there, wait a couple seconds until it dries, plug it to the charger and test it, and this is it. Alright guys, good job. I'm so proud of you. Now you have done and replaced your Galaxy S10 Plus battery successfully. So proud of you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Hit the like button. Share it with the person that you think need to replace their Galaxy S10 Plus battery. See you on the next one. Love you all. Peace. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the circle button right there. It will make you subscribe automatically. If you got a Galaxy S10 Plus with a cracked screen, check out the first video to the top. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.